cost of unga was 230 shillings. We have progressively, through good thinking and planning, without any subsidy, brought the cost down to 190, to 180, to 170, to 160. As we talk today, on the shelf, there are many supermarkets offering unga at 159 shillings, up to 155. And I can tell you it will continue going down, awaiting the harvest in September. And after the harvest, because of the intervention that we have done to assist our farmers with subsidized fertilizer, we intend and we believe we'll be able to bring down the cost of unga to about 130, about 120. And that is what is sustainable. The economy has started showing good signs of recovery. As we speak today, when we came in, the cost of unga was 230 shillings. We have progressively, through good thinking and planning, without any subsidy, brought the cost down to 190, to 180, to 170, to 160. As we talk today, on the shelf, there are many supermarkets offering unga at 159 shillings, up to 155. And I can tell you it will continue going down, awaiting the harvest in September. And after the harvest, because of the intervention that we have done to assist our farmers with subsidized fertilizer, we intend and we believe we'll be able to bring down the cost of unga to about 130, about 120. And that is what is sustainable. Because the President, in his wisdom, with proper advice from economists, decided that you cannot subsidize consumption. It's not sustainable, it is foolish, it cannot work. And we agreed, under the guidance of the President, that the way to go is to subsidize production. In any case, those subsidies were not working and it was theft. The Auditor General has issued a report that 34 billion shillings for the fuel subsidy cannot be traced. It was about theft. About the subsidy of unga, the one we were told that is 100 shillings, nobody found that unga anywhere. 8 billion shillings was spent at the National Treasury, and the millers are still asking for their money. All that money was stolen and diverted in the Azimio campaign. We are not going to go that way. Even if they go to the streets, even if they put sufrias on the head, we are not going to reinstate subsidy because it is foolish and it's not sustainable. The way to fix the cost of living is subsidizing production, putting money where it matters, in terms of fertilizer, in terms of seeds, in terms of other encouraging measures to allow our people to produce more at a less cost. That is the way, in a sustainable manner, that will bring down the cost of living. And I want to say with pride that we are doing extremely well. We don't expect our detractors to see it, because they wouldn't see it. But what will happen, even if they close their eyes, it's okay. When they open them, they will find that unga is 159. They don't want to see that unga is at 159. So they can shut down their eyes for some time. But since they cannot shut their eyes forever, they have to reopen them. When they open them, they will find that unga has gone down, and it will continue going down.